Good morning. First, I am introducing myself. My name is Sandeep Anandrao Patugde. I am from Pasarni. My educational qualification is MCOM NET. I am working in Kisanvir Mahavidyalaya Vai. I have 14 years teaching experience. Today, we are going to discuss about the branches of accounting. First, branches of accounting. For that purpose, before we have to learning about the branches of accounting, first we have to understand what do you mean by accounting. So accounting is the art of recording financial transactions, or we called it monetary transactions also, into the books of accounting. It This is the process in which involve several steps: recording the financial transactions or monetary transaction in the books of account. After that recording, we analyze the monetary transaction or financial transactions with the help of various accounts or statements. After that, we find out the results. We interpret that financial data with the help of various accounts, and we find out the profit or loss of the business. So financial accounting helps to businessmen to find out the profit or loss of the business. So there are four important branches of the accounting. That is, financial accounting is first of the important branch, then second cost accounting, third management accounting, and fourth social responsibility accounting. So financial accounting, in financial accounting, uh, already we discussed about it, the monetary transaction recorded into the books of account, and we find out the gross profit or gross loss, as well with the help of trading account. Direct or direct expenses were debited to the trading account, and indirect expenses we debited to the profit and loss account. And with the help of this trading, we find out the gross profit or gross loss of the business, and with the help of profit and loss account, we find out the net profit or net loss of the business. And the balance sheet, with the help of balance sheet, we find out the financial position of the business, because there are assets and liabilities we are recorded to the balance sheet. So all these aspects are involved in the financial accounting. We find out the trading results. To find out the trading results, this is the main point in the financial accounting. Second branch is, that is, cost accounting. This is very important branch of the accounting, and it deals with the ascertainment of cost and cost control. So this is very important for every business where the production or services production or find we have to find out the cost of the product, and we have to fix the selling price of the product. For that purpose, cost accounting help us, because there are number of costs incurred, or the expenses incurred by the businessman to produce any commodity. There are direct, indirect expenses are there, as well as we have to add profit into the cost, and then we get the selling price. So how to fix selling price, how to calculate cost, with the help of cost accounting, we can easily understand how much cost we incurred and how much profit we have to add into the cost, then we get the selling price. So main objective behind it, to ascertain the cost, to control the cost, because we have to fix the competitive selling price in the market for our product. For that purpose, cost accounting help us. Then third point, that is management accounting. This is also very important branch of the accounting. Management required various information for the decision making, because decision making is very important important task of the higher management, and they take decisions on the basis of the financial data which is provided by the management accounting to the higher level management, and they take decision on the basis of the data which is provided by the management accounting. There are various uh, various tasks performed by the management, one of that decision making, and that decisions are based upon the data which is provided by the management accounting. So this is very important branch of the accounting. And last one, that is social responsibility accounting. So every company earn profit with the help of business, and we have to pay some part of the profit to the society for the child education or the social welfare. And every company have to spend some expenditures on that, like that, on the society, and that all the involved in the social responsibility accounting. So these are the four important branches of accounting we discuss about today: financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, and social responsibility accounting. Thank you very much.